We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go that extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding.
My knee was blown out. I was on crutches for 3.5 months. Pain and lack of movement were debilitating. Doctors were considering surgery and other invasive measures. The prognosis wasn't good. Then came Dr. Adam. Of the multiple issues surrounding my knee, hip, and now shoulder, the crutches issues, Dr. Adam gave a prognosis on the multiple issues. Too many to list here. Dr. Adam met or exceeded every prognosis he made. Not only did he do a great job, notice that verb is past tense, he knew what he could do. Pain is gone.
We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.